now the treble bridge is completely in tune. I find it a lot easier to tune the bass bridge completely by ear. If you don't have a good ear, you can go ahead and move your tuner clip to the top of the bass bridge and pick it up and use the same procedure. But I find it faster for me just to use my ear because these notes here match something that's already in tune on the treble bridge. So I move back down to the bottom of the bass bridge and I pluck the lowest string, which will be D. And then I pluck D an octave above. And I'm a little bit flat. If you can't hear this, then you probably need to use the tuner. A little bit flat. You can see we're going to run out of strings here on the treble bridge to match to, but there are matching notes still lower down. This is G, and this is actually the same note, G, which is good. A. Now we got one note that doesn't match anything else on the whole dulcimer, B flat. So I just do this. Do, re, mi, fa. Okay, we've tuned the whole dulcimer. We're not quite finished. We need to check our work. So I get the hammer out and I go over my various arpeggios, and if something's not sweet, you'll hear it. That was okay. You can see it's really fairly easy to tune the dulcimer. That probably took me less than 5 minutes to do that. And it's fairly accurate. It sounds good. As long as you've tested it like that, then you know it sounds good.